Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mahalingam Lakshmanan, Director of Wellness at Ojas Pan Wellness. Today I am going to talk about acupuncture. A commonly asked question, how does acupuncture works? In this video, I will explain a detailed mechanism and process of acupuncture. Acupuncture is a real physical medicine based on real anatomy. Acupuncture works by stimulating flow of oxygen, nutrients, blood through a specific networks of blood vessels to every single cells of our body. Acupuncture works by treating the number one cause of disease, which is stagnation of blood or blocked blood flow. When there is a blocked blood flow to any part of our body, that area cannot function without proper blood supply, and also body cannot heal without proper blood supply. Acupuncture works by dilating the blood vessels to increase the blood flow to that specific area of our body to relieve the pain, increase the function of our organs, and also prevent aging. Acupuncture also works by stimulating our nervous system by activating ociceptors. That is a sensory receptor for pain, and also sensory nerves and proprioceptors that travels from skin to the spine into the brain. Acupuncture works by improving nervous function that forces to release opioid, which is a natural painkiller, to shut down the pain signal and also to relieve or eliminate the pain. Acupuncture works by focusing or treating the main 5 factors which influence our health. Number 1, flow of oxygen. Number 2, flow of blood in our body. Number 3, the health of our blood vessels. Number 4, health of our organs. Number 5, health of our nervous system. Acupuncture can treat many ailments. Musculoskeletal concern. Acupuncture is a number 1 option as always. It can treat or help in the following conditions like low back pain, stiff neck, frozen shoulder, sciatica, and also it helps in arthritis of knee, shoulder, or any part of our body. It also helps menstrual issues in women. It's very beneficial in facial acupuncture for wrinkles. It also helps in stress, anxiety, depression, insomnia, or if you want to quit smoking or any addiction, acupuncture is a very good option. Call us to schedule your appointment to know more in detail. Vanakkam.